How to block someone on IMO. Sometimes you just need a little peace on your communication app, right? If someone on the IMO is bothering you or you simply prefer not to hear from them, blocking them is a quick and easy way to regain your privacy. Let me walk you through it. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Tap on it. Once you're inside it, find the chat of the person that you want to block. For example, I want to block this person right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside the profile. Once you're inside it, tap on the name at the very top of the screen. Here you can see the name. Let's tap on it. This action will take you directly to the profile details, and this is the profile details of the person. Now on the profile page, scroll down a bit like this, and there you can see an option called block. Simply tap on it. IMO will then ask you to confirm your decision. Just to be sure, just tap on the block again to confirm or to finalize it. And just like that, they are blocked. So, what does this actually mean? Well, they won't be able to send you the messages, your updates or the stories, or even add you to any group chats. Your space on the IMO is now protected. And hey, if you ever change your mind down the road, it's super easy to unblock them from the same profile page. You will find an unblock button option there instead. It's all about making your IMO experience comfortable and safe for you. I hope this was helpful, and lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.